Hello everybody, today we will learn what are commands in Python. Okay, first before you start typing your code, let me give you a tip or a hint so you can understand commands. Commands, for example, you had created a calculator using Python. This is the code and this code is successfully created. And for example, you will comment for after to check this code. Okay, and sometimes you can't understand some things. You maybe say, why we put this, what this will do. So comments, we will put a hash with it. So when you return for the code, so you can understand everything. So because when you are creating your code, these things are in your mind. Maybe for after it will be cleared from your mind. Okay, first let's create a new file and let's name it by comments. And let me, for example, paste my code. And here's my code. This code sees if the first number is bigger than the second and this. So here let's put our comments. But let's see first if the code is working properly and there is no issues and no problems. So it's successfully and no errors and no issues. Okay, first let's create our comments. There are two ways to type your comments. In the line of the code, for example here I'm creating a variable and this is the line of the code. So maybe I'll put a space and a hashtag and hash, and we'll put a hash and we'll type our comment. For example, creating the first number variable. Okay, so also we can put an empty line and it's what only for comments, so we'll put hash and we'll type creating our variables. Okay, and also we can delete this one. Okay, so let's check if the file will ignore this comment or no. Okay, first maybe it will ignore it, so let's type more. For example here, setting up an if statement, and here we're setting up the elif statement, and here we're setting up the else statement. Okay, so maybe these are enough. So let's run it so we can check if the file will ignore this or no. So let's see. So it's working and nothing has happened. So I hope that you had understood. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment and share, and goodbye.